Sanibona bafethu uvandelo sokuneyindaba engangiphathi kahle. Le indaba lezi zirigada ini iSafa, zirigada ini uDidi Jordan. Yabo, zirigada ini iBafana Bafana neteam yamajita abafana abancane. So manikhumbula kahle ke amajita u-under 20 uBafana Bafana usathanda kuwina iAfcon, yabo. Okuyi-achievement enkulu kakhulu leyo, ngiyabajabulela abafana benze into enhle kakhulu ba-qualify for i-World Cup. So izolo ade kunenkulumo ade ibanjwelele eParliament lapho khona ade khona iSafa, yabo, izodisputa, izoveza ama-finances wayo iSafa ukuthi iwaspenda kanjani ama-finances, yabo. Ekuveleni kwawo ama-finances kwavela ukuthi ucoach Hugo Broos uhola 1 million, yabo. Ngingaze noma uhola 1 million per month noma uhola 1 million enyakeni wonke. Kwavezwa ukuthi ucoach wamajita, yabo, ucoach under 20 akaholi imali eningi. I think uhola la around 50,000 if I'm not mistaken, yabo. Engesiyo le imali enkulu, akusiyona nje imali enkulu leyo 50,000 bafuna mase siba neqiniso, but ke uhola leyo mali leyo. But engakuthandanga kahle, abantu abaningi bayaquestiona bathi why Hugo Broos ehola more than ucoach wamajita. Kaqale ngathula ngathi hayibo, abantu abalibukayo laba ibhola noma abantu abangajwayele vele ukulibuka ibhola noma nje abantu mhlawumbe abangamthanda ucoach, yabo, abangamthanda ucoach abafuna mhlawumbe oPitso, mhlawumbe oRolani, yabo, bazocoacha lapha. Mase ubheke uHugo Broos ziningi icoca sekayiwina before afike kuBafana Bafana. He was coaching ama-team amakhulu, yabo, ama-team ranked phezulu kweBafana Bafana, yabo. Before afike kuthina ubecoach ama-team sekwayiwina even i-African Cup of Nations, yabo. I-Afcon into asakayiwina before. So ekumlandeni kwethu Hugo Broos mfethu, thina nje sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi simthole, yabo. Sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi simthole because mase ubheka even ama-stats wakhe since eyicoachile iBafana Bafana. Mhlambe labantu ababuzayo bethi why Hugo Broos ehola imali engaka basho ngathi iBafana Bafana ihlezi idliwa. Wagcina nini ukubona iBafana Bafana idlala kuma-semi final eAfcon? Wagcina nini ukuyibona iBafana Bafana idlala kuma-semi finals eAfcon? Ishaya izikwadi einzima kakhulu, ishaya oMorocco abanezita edlala le ko Champions League. Hakimi nje bawina ama-Champions League right now, basathanda kushawa iyona iBafana Bafana. There are many players, yabo, abakhulu iBafana Bafana ebashayayo, yabo. Kuyimanje iBafana Bafana iphezulu lapha esicongweni sama FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Wagcina nini ukuyibona iBafana Bafana iqualifier for iWorld Cup 20 years ago, even 21 if I'm not mistaken. The last time Bafana Bafana qualifier for iWorld Cup yayidlala ngo-2002 if I'm not mistaken, yayidlala le Japan. Ungangitshela ama-comments, yabo, mhlawumbe ngenza iphutha. Yayidlala le Japan i-qualifier. I'm not talking about i-2010 World Cup la safaka khona because we were the host nations. I'm talking about uqualifier, yabo. Hugo Broos, he is leading iBafana Bafana to iWorld Cup. So wena muzokhalela uthi holi 1 million ngonyaka ngabe ngenyanga, hayi ngempela mhlambe kusakuningi okumele ukubheke. Yes, ngiyakhala ukuthi ucoach wamajita uhola 50,000, but you must check imphumela ayenzayo lo baba lo, yabo. Ucheck into ayinikeza iBafana Bafana. Sagcina nini ukuba happy sibone iBafana Bafana ade sagcina. Uma usubheke nje kuma games awu-37 unama games awu-19 awawinile, abe nama draws awu-12, mase be nama defeats awu-6. iBafana Bafana le, yabo, iBafana Bafana. Sagcina nini ukubona iBafana Bafana idlala kahle kanje since wa-appointwa lo coach lo. iBafana Bafana iyathandwa manje. iBafana Bafana isithola ama-sponsors, isithola more sponsors, yabo. Njengoba sisuka kwi-Afcon nje kungenzeka le sponsor esisponsorishe right now ula Coke sishintshe. Ngenza sithola uAdidas, ngenza sithola uPuma, ngenza sithola uNike, yabo, as ama-sponsors eBafana Bafana kwi-jersey. So since afike uHugo Broos kuningi asekushintshile, muningi umehluko oseshintshile. Bafethu iyekeni lento leyo ukuthi nihambe niyojaja kakhulu, ningayilandeli ngisho kuyilandela iBafana Bafana, yabo. Muyithandela irugby ungayithanda irugby, uyithande le, but ungajaji ukuthi okay vele imali abayiholayo le imali ngizothini, imali ya-government. uGovernment phela usupply iSafa for imali, so bebenikeza ucoach imali eningi ngeke abantu vele bangakhaya. But ekukhaleni kwakho kumele ubheke ukuthi okay njengoba ngikhala nje ngikhalela into eyiqiniso yini. Ngabe ngiya-understand ukuthi uHugo Broos uyadliwa, Hugo Bros asinikeze into esidinga ngabe ngiya-understanda ke lapho because I'm sure coach we Ivory Coast uhola more than Hugo Bros. I'm sure abo coach be Nigeria bahola more than Hugo Bros. Abo coach be Algeria, abo coach be Morocco bahola more than Hugo Bros. Yabo, because those teams are highly ranked lapha phezulu lapha eAfrica. Yabo, but indlela adlala khona yabo ibhola lakhe liku standard lalowo ma team. Bafana right now icompete nalowo ma team. I-standard sebhola esisinalo kuBafana right now. Yabo, so angazi ngempela bafethu ungangitshela ama-comments usizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le. I'm not happy with ucoach Majida uthi uhola le mali la iholayo incane kakhulu for yabo, kumele kushintshwe nje. Mhlambe unga-understand kuthiwa mhlambe uhola ba 200, yabo 200k. I know phela udelana abafana abancane, yabo, some of the teams ababadedela abafana abancane bayodlala, but ke umjida kumele abuhola imali eningi, yabo, kuno 50,000. But leyo ukuthi nikhalela uthi Hugo Bros uhola 1 million nibe ngayiboni into ayenzayo, kumele nihlale phansi nike niyiboneke into ayenzayo. Bafana izodlala ama-international games nje izodlala ama-international games, bafana yodlala ePolokwane eNew Petomakaba Stadium. Kumele nithenga ama-tickets nye stadium niyoyibuka bafana ukuthi idlala kanjani, niyibone ukuthi yini kahle kahle esilethelayo, yabo, yini lesenza thina sijabule, yabo. Mhlambe uyimlandeli weKaizer ungakhala phela because abadlali beKaizer babhikwa, yabo, mhlambe ibona nje laba abakhala bathi hawu why hola 1 million. Ngeke phela bangakhala abadlali babo ababoni bedlala pha, yabo, ngabe phela bamdefend Hugo Bros ukube they see their players playing for iBafana, but their players are not playing for iBafana. So kumele bakhala, yabo, they must protest against Hugo Bros ekutholeni imali enkulu kanje. 1 million per month, that's like 12 million a year. It's a lot of money if you are being honest, yabo, it's a lot of money, but ke ama results uyasinikeza. Ngisho kunjalo ama results siyawabona thina esithanda ibhola, nezinto ezishayayo mesidlala kuAFCON, yabo, mesidlala ama competition lawo siyalibona ushintsho right now, yabo. Singama contenders eAFCON lezodlalwa le Morocco ngoDecember. Ayikakadlalwa, I know, but you are one of the contenders to win the AFCON. Njoba nje sinethuba elihle lokuthi siye kwi-World Cup, singama contenders. Even iMorocco iyazi ukuthi Bafana inzima kakhulu. Even kwi-final ye-under 20 ishawe yini amajida, yabo, and most abadlali ade bedlala kumajida they will integrate to i-main team eBafana, which is great for iBafana, yabo. Labadlali abancane akumele balahleke kwi-system, kumele balandele i-system ekahle, yabo, badlale kahle abafana abancane, bangene ba-integrate kuBafana main team yeBafana, bangalahleki nje kwi-system, and kumele bathole ama-team rights azokwazi ukukhipha i-talent labo li-on standard, baqhubeke badlale for iBafana, yabo.